Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
How you doing today? So what we're offering this morning is a Wurlitzer 1015 bubbler jukebox. These were made in approximately 1946. I happen to get this one out of Malibu, California. I brought it in. It's something that I do not want to do. I don't want to restore it, so I'm going to offer it at a price which is a good restoration price for somebody. As you see, it's a nice looking jukebox. We did shine it up so it looks nice. This has been restored somewhere along the line many years ago, probably in the 80s. It's got new plastics. As you can see, all the bubble tubes are working. There's 8 separate bubble tubes in here. They're all bubbling. And the pilasters, which change colors down in the bottom, are all working. Once again, this is a restoration jukebox, but I'm going to give you an idea for it. So I'm going to open the box up, as well as this machine, after it got restored, is on free play. There's no coin mech in it. So if you do restore it, you're just going to push a button. It's going to take off. Let me open it up here for a second and show you what's going on. So why don't you come around here, would you, Jeff, just a little bit? As you see, very nice and clean. I'm going to open this up. This is where your amplifier is. This is all of your push buttons in here. Now down here, come around here now, Jeff, and let's show them inside. I plugged the motor in. As you see, the motor is running very nicely, okay? As well as all of the mechanism is free. So what's really gonna need to be done, if you wanna bring this back, you're gonna have to go through the selector here, and you're gonna have to go through the buttons. As you can also see, if you can see here, the amplifier is lit up and the tubes are hot. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unplug this motor because it's just running, okay? Now, if this was my jukebox and I bought it for my home, rather than restoring it back to its original, what I would do is I would unplug the amplifier, okay, which is very easily done. There's just simply a wire here for the amplifier. I'm going to unplug it, right? Oh, turn off the lights. So I would just disconnect the amplifier. If I can get it plugged back in here. There we go. I would disconnect the amplifier. I would take this speaker out right here, just set it aside and keep it, and I would put a Bluetooth in this. I would get me a really super good small Bluetooth speaker, and I would simply mount it here where this speaker goes, and I would run all my favorite music through my Bluetooth. That's what I would do. You can get all the good sounds. You're gonna have this beautiful 1940s jukebox sitting in the corner, turning, bubbling, etc. You're gonna get great sound, and you're not gonna have to go through all of that restoration. So, once again, I'm selling this as is for restoration. I priced it accordingly. This is a beautiful original 40s jukebox. And once again, if it was me, I'd put Bluetooth in it and it would be just super cool. And I'll tell you another thing that I would use this for. If I owned a barber shop or something like that, I would put this in my window, okay, in my barber shop, and I would run it at night when I'm closed on Main Street or wherever your shop is, because it'll take no time before everybody says, oh, that Floyd's Barbershop, that's the guy with the jukebox, Everybody will remember your barbershop. And then I would put Floyd's Barbershop, a sign up on top of this, music to your ears, right? And then I would also play it in my barbershop through my Bluetooth. So I'm just giving you suggestions for this jukebox, what you could do with it, as opposed to going through all that restoration cost. Anyway, great jukebox. If you'd like it, we'll get it on a pallet, we'll get it shipped out. We can ship it anywhere in the United States. They'll bring it right to your door. Great looking jukebox, so if it's for you, I would grab it. Anyway, and thanks everybody for watching our videos.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.